Okay, so this is it's my I think it's around a 1975 David Brown tractor, and where we're going to focus is up here at the front where the battery belongs. The original battery coming out, that looks like a Canadian Tire brand here in Canada, is simply a car-size battery. Probably not original. This is the lighting's not great. The area for the battery, and what I have is a large, we had a little mouse nest in here going on. As I was cleaning it out, she decided to vacate the premises. Sorry, Mrs. Mouse. Anyhow, this is too small to put in to hold the battery that I'm hoping to put in. So I need to weld up a bracket out here across this front area to fit and support this new battery I want to put in. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is the battery that's going in, and you can see just underneath it, that's a regular car-size battery, not the one that came out, but virtually identical size to the one that came out. And so this is probably twice the size, and so we'll have to do some primitive metal work in order to get this thing so it won't fall to the ground when I'm moving. Okay, just two final cuts here to finish this off. Okay, so I got David Brown here boosted and up into my main garage. This is the car battery that was in it. We also had a bit of a mouse nest in here, as I may have mentioned. Looks like we may have had, oh, there's another one. There was one up on top, and there goes another one. Well, dingy. And there's another one sticking his head out. What do we got here? Okay. Come on. Did he already leave when I wasn't looking? Yeah, go. Alright, gotta get this mess cleaned up. Okay, so first thing we need to do, this ground strap for the original battery needs to come off and be replaced, because both terminals of the new battery are over here, and this is not long enough. So I have a cable actually all rigged up that should, come on, honey. Now I also hope that I've blown out enough of the nest. There was actually two nests, one on a wooden tray that was up here, and then there were at least two down in underneath in another nest altogether. What I'm concerned about, of course, is welding sparks getting down into this, and some of it's just greasy, oily, and I've gotten as much out as I can without spending most of my day here. Anyhow, we'll give her a try, and I got a fire extinguisher standing by just in case. So, get my grinder. It's got a cutting wheel. I just need to take off some of the paint here so I'll be able to do a better job of welding. Okay, let's try. That's where we do our first weld. I should clean this in too. Okay, let's see if we can do this. Helps to turn on the machine. Hold on. Well, it's on there. Okay, now we'll do this side bracket bit. Jeez, just blew right through that. Wow, that's unusual. I know she's running a little hot. So that's what my fancy dancy battery box looks like. No welding criticisms, please. Anyhow, if you look at it from the side, you can see it's welded in the back. Comes out. There is a bit of a gap here. and that battery is heavy. And I'm thinking to stick that battery in there, relying on my welding, well, I think I'd have to be an idiot. So I want to think of what I'm going to do to put up in here as a support. Okay, so I put on my thinking cap and 2x2, 1.5 by 1.5 inch. It'll come right up. Nice and solid. Drill a hole here and here, put screws down through, and make sure it doesn't come out. Perfect. Okay, got the ground strap. I think maybe I'll just put it on the outside. Now perhaps that feels better. Maybe we'll just give her a little crank over. A little cold to see if it'll start, but who knows? Just may. Good. Okay, I'm betting that ground is not nearly as good as it should be. Well, folks, this is the completed project. My apologies to the 3, possibly 4 mice or more that I had to displace in order to accomplish this. But I'm sure they found themselves a new home somewhere. So basically, batteries installed, new ground cable. I did have to give the battery a little bit of a boost, but we'll give her a try. And to the sound of this starting, I'll thank you for watching and see you on the next video.
Catch you next time, guys.